Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, okay, real quick, y'all, let me show y'all exactly what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, how you can make MyEcon sales in one day. My phone, laptop, everything is literally on fire right now. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing and how to do it. If you're not already involved in MyEcon, you're going to want to get started today so you can take action and duplicate my same results. I'm about to show you exactly what I'm doing. If you're in MyEcon, I'm going to show you the system I'm using to help duplicate and do everything for me, okay? And you can get started with that free of charge. 14-day free trial, no credit card required. You can actually take action right now by using my share code, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so look, here's my name is Derek Williams. I'm an EVP Gold with MyEcon, soon to be Platinum, coming for Infinity and beyond. Okay, so check it out. Let's go to my Facebook wall. This all happened today. Okay, shout out to my daughter. Just got several awards at school. Let's get on. Let's keep rolling. This all happened today. Okay, as you can see, people are joining. I'm adding people to it. Here you go, right here. Okay, so I put up a post. Limited time only. For $19.95, you can remove collections, turn $400 credit score to $750 plus, and put $300 plus in your bank account info. Okay. First person coming, I'm in. Soon he said I'm in, and he joined right away. Okay. As you can see, he took action right away. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay. I'm getting several comments. Let me show you the trick to this, okay? When someone comments, because I'm going to give you a nugget right now that a lot of people don't do, all right? And some people are doing it the wrong way, so I'm going to give you a nugget, a little gem that's been working for me for years. I've been making money online since a good over 5 years now. I was able to fire my boss back in December 26th of 2015, okay? Check this out. So when they comment info, I reply right up under, I tag their name, and I comment, and I tell them info sent. Basically, I'm sending the information to their inbox, okay? What this does versus me, when Dante saying, okay, I'm in, if I didn't just send, if I put the info right here, then everyone else could have came and seen exactly what he asked for and clicked on it, okay? Now, maybe they would have went to the website, maybe not, all right? But I would have no way of knowing because the information was already there for them, okay? So curiosity kills the cat. Everyone else is going to come in info as well, so you see what's going on, okay? You see what's going on, 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 you see what's going on. Okay, boom. So after I send them info, basically all I'm doing is I'm sending them to a landing page capture page, okay? Looks just like this, okay? I'm using the conversion pros. And I can show you how to get a free day trial, all right? Free 14-day trial. You can have full access to it right now, okay? So they go here. Go to this landing page, limited time offer, act now. As you all know right now, you can join MyEcon for $19.95. Anyone looking at this right now, you've been looking to join MyEcon, it's only $20, okay? Limited time offer. Okay, I have a video that I created showing them the back office, showing them the actual smart credit system so they can see that it's real. They need to see it. People are visual, okay? So they see a video, okay? Video content is king. Short 4-minute video that they see. All right, boom. They come down and read this. We delete collections, charge off repos, bankruptcies fast, see your credit FICO score jump by 100 points in 30 days. All this is possible. It's been done through our team. We have several proof results all throughout the team, okay? Boom. Want to make thousands fixing people credit? Fill in the form, details below. They put in their information, their name, the email, their phone number. Click here. It takes them right to my website for them to join, okay? And then this is the this is what happens, okay? So boom, let's show you. Google account, Derek Williams, multiplestreamking@gmail.com. Just want to show you all that this is my account, okay? And let's show you what has taken place so far. Okay, this is today. All right, and I'm not done. Trust me, I'm about to kick butt and take names. This promo is off the chain. All right, and if you're not taking advantage of this, I don't know what is wrong with you, but you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Okay, and if you don't want it, my team and I definitely do. All right, and if you're looking to get involved, there's a link below for you to get involved today. And if you want the conversion pros for a free trial, I'm going to show you how to get started with that today. And also, all newcomers, I'm going to show you how to set up this system. Get this out, get the conversion pros for free. All right, be able to set that up and start duplicating right away. Okay, so this happened May 16th. This was the first one. All right, that was a congratulations on your new personal recruit. That's one. Okay, and as you can see, I'm not going to click on it because it gives their phone number. I'm not going to put their information out there, but as you can see, This one was today, 12:52 p.m. All right, I have 2 that just came in, so that's a total of 3 so far. In my inbox, I have people that are telling me they're at work right now. As you can see the time. Let's scroll this down a little bit so you know it's not a game. It's 1:31 p.m. 5/17. Okay, May 17th. 12:52 was the last sale that came in. This one came in yesterday, so that's 3 sales total so far. Okay. This one actually came from a YouTube video. These 2 came from the Facebook. All right, as you can see, the conversion pros, the leads are coming in. Okay, and I have several people on Facebook that haven't had a chance to look at it yet. They say when they get home, they're going to jump on it. Okay, that simple, you all. That simple. Okay, like I said, if you want to use this duplicatable system, like simple capture page gets it done. You're gonna have access to my video, PNF Fix My Credit. All right, you're gonna have full access to this. All I have to do is give you a share code. Literally, all you're gonna have to do, okay, if you're already in MyEcon, literally all you're gonna have to do, all right, you're gonna sign up. There's a link below for you to get started with the conversion pros. All right, let me know that you're in. Okay, I'm gonna send you my share code, and you can start taking action right away. Okay, that's simple. All right, and for people that are looking to join, once you join, I'm going to give you access to this system already. I'm going to give you my share code, and you're ready to rock and roll. All right, so that's enough, man. Listen, if you want to get some of this money, come get it. I still have people commenting, reaching out to me, trying to get more info. And I'm going to be doing this all day, all night. All right, once you do, as you can see, just 1 minute ago, someone commented on my photo. All right, they wanted more information, so I'm about to send him the info now. Okay. Once you join, message me. My Facebook is below. Hit my Facebook and say, hey, Laderick, I've joined. What's next? All right, I'm going to add you to my private Facebook training group. I'm also going to add you to the #1 training group in MyEcon. Let me let you look at that real quick. I just want you to see the numbers one time so you know it's not a game. All right, and then we'll get off of here. All right, I just want you all to see the proof and see that it's real. 12,490 members. I'll be adding you to that group as well. Okay, so you have tons of leadership. You have tons of training. You have tons of support. You will not be left in the dark. You can get in and start making money literally today if you get in and take action. Like I said, I have a free website system for you set up. It's a 14-day free trial. Have a share code for you where all you have to do is literally plug and play, copy and paste, and start making money today. See y'all on the next video. It's your boy.